And just giving a lot of fall vibes. What do you guys think about this one? I actually really like this one.
I brought that with me. Case they get too iffy. Baby, don't stress, don't sweat it. Put it all on my daddy. Know how I'm coming. And they know what we had. Run around through that left side, low end. All of mine need more wins. If you got beef, don't come out. Cause my young hitter might go in. Uptown GN. Working all through my weekend. Hoping these don't show out. Cause all of my hitters too deep in. With a boy, I'm so ashamed. Ain't worried about long as my money and my green. Baby, I ain't got work tomorrow. Tell me what the business is. Ain't about no club hop. I'm trying to start some businesses. Shorty, you thought it was, they better know it's not that. Talking all that online, they knowing that it's not fact. Sliding through my hood, I make maneuvers like a Uber, baby. Got a 10-year plan, these can't tell what they doing lately. And I'm way too clean, I'm Listerine, I thought they been knew it. All in my lungs, I got my red cup full of that Henny fluid. Young middle Mad Mac, I'm swinging that leg, I'm banging that do or die. And I ain't that lead before I get crucified. Living in my bloodline, this place in my family tree. How the they pressed, I did my best out of what they handed me. Straight out of that country, know my shawty dick as human air. And I need not mention no extensions, that's human hair. Boy, we grew in there. Around through that left side, low end. All of mine need more wins. If you got beef, don't come out. Cause my young hitter might go in. Uptown GN. Working all through my weekend. Hoping these don't show out. Cause all of my hitters too deep in. Tell them no stress, no biggie. Baby, I'm just too jiggy. Better know I brought that with me. Case they get too iffy. Baby, don't stress, don't sweat it.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. So this unit was sent to me from Nadula Hair Company. This unit is a 13x4 lace front wig, guys. It is a reddish brown color. The unit is a curly texture and it is about 24 inches long. So the unit is very pretty. Obviously it's a curly texture, so some of the length is a little bit shrunken. I did go ahead and wet the hair and use some Cantu leave-in conditioner. So I let the hair dry for like 2 hours. Obviously the base of the unit is still a little bit moist, but obviously when you let that air dry out, you guys will kind of see that the curls will be formulated kind of like the bottom. I did use a comb to do, not comb, I used a brush to do this one, so obviously you guys can see everything's super defined. Once I put the product in the hair, I don't touch the hair at all just because I wanted to air dry really nice. And you guys can see the unit is actually pretty full. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. As far as the baby hairs and everything around the hairline, I just kept it simple. I did my sideburn. I did a little baby hair right here, one right here, and then one on this side. Obviously, if it's a side part and it's going this way, I try not to do too much stuff on this side of the unit, but for the most part, I kind of cleaned it up. You guys can see that the lace looks very pretty. I did go in and I bleached the knots on this unit, and I also tweezed the unit as well too, just a little bit because of the color. I wanted to open up the hairline some so that you can kind of see how natural it looks, and I feel like it looks way better. For the install today, I kept it very simple. I only used the Even Wonder Lace to install this unit. So I actually sprayed my skin first, like the area first, and I let that dry, and then I put the wig down, and then I just sprayed on top of it as well. So I did not use glue in today's install. So you guys can see this is just what it looks like with just spray. So you don't necessarily need to use glue. Sometimes I use the glue just to keep the ear tabs down, but I didn't have to do that today. The ear tabs stayed down pretty well. I am a medium to average cap size head, so medium to average cap size head, this unit fit good. It also did come with an adjustable strap that I did not use, so I just adjusted the hooks in the back and the unit fit pretty well. So this is what it looks like, guys. I feel like it's a nice color. The color is definitely, wow, kind of like Ariel vibes, Little Mermaid vibes as far as the color. The reddish brown color is very pretty. I'm not gonna lie, this will probably be one of my favorite curly units in this color. I've had straight units, body wave units in this color, but as far as the curly pattern and the color, this one actually has to be one of my favorites. I think they did a really good job with this one. Like, it looks really rich, really pretty, and just giving a lot of fall vibes. What do you guys think about this one? I actually really like this one a lot. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. I want to say happy holidays to everyone. Nadula here will be having a Black Friday sale. They will also be having sales during the Christmas holidays. So make sure you guys go ahead and click the link down below and also use my coupon code if you're going to make your purchases on this website. I will leave all the information, all the specs down below, and you guys probably already saw it in this video. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, happy Thanksgiving, and don't forget guys to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.